In today's video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp storage full problem. So if your WhatsApp storage is getting full and if you're seeing this error message, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. So what you can simply do is head over to the settings on the WhatsApp platform, head over to storage and data, and then tap on the manage storage option. Here you'd be able to see a section which says larger than 5 MB. So these are all of the videos that you receive. So make sure you delete all of the videos that you do not need, or if you do need these videos, you can make sure that you back up on a different device, and you need to delete all of the videos that are consuming more than 5 MB. So by doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue, and you can also prevent from downloading the data automatically or downloading the media automatically. So what you can do in this situation is head back to the same settings page, and right here you'll be able to see this section called media auto download. If you use WhatsApp on your Wi-Fi, for example, you can make sure that all of these options are on check. This ensures that the media that you receive is not downloaded automatically. So once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp storage full problem. I do hope this kind of video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.